Technology is changing our way to experience education. From one-dimensional to multidimensional, using a diversity of resources. This enables greater opportunities to experience distance learning, modifying our experience of both space and time. For the implementation, we use an immersive semispherical screen, a cross-platform game engine used for interactive 3D content, and a series of pluggable network devices. These can be shared and combined, coupling them to a virtual representation, which is updated and maintained in real time. We use mixed reality laboratory activities to exemplify the integration of the physical and virtual world within a geographically dispersed configuration. This figure illustrates the possible scenarios for mixed reality learning activities in an individual or collaborative session. Scenario 1 examines the use of virtual objects only in an individual session. Similar to virtual laboratories, where simulation is the key to performing an action. Additionally, hand gesture recognition is used to support integration of physical and virtual objects within the learning session, enhancing user experience and engagement. Scenario 2 shows the use of virtual objects and real objects within the learning activity. The individual session represents the ideal case of dual reality state. This scenario shows the possibility of sharing one real object. In this case, both the remote and the local user have access to the services available for the physical mashup, and both can control it using its virtual representation. Although only the local user will see the result of the activity in the physical object, the remote user can follow the execution via the virtual environment, as the real object keeps updating its virtual representation in real time. Communication between users is achieved through a chat window in the main screen. This video briefly explains the work towards the creation of a blended reality distributed system. Future work advances towards implementation of multiple dual realities, using two or more real objects, and the execution of sequenced groups of services, encouraging teamwork, creativity, and innovation.